I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Thinkorswim for Stock Trading Easy Guide. Open the platform and log in, then enable paper trading to practice without risk. Configure your account settings for time zone, default order size, and chart preferences. Add commonly used watch lists and link them to charts. Save your workspace layout so you can quickly return to a familiar setup when trading live or paper testing. Open a chart and set your preferred time frame, candle style, and grid layout for clarity. Add essential studies such as moving averages, RSI, and volume profiles to evaluate momentum and trends. Customize study settings and group them into named templates for quick recall across tickers. Adjust color schemes for readability and save the chart as part of your workspace so you can instantly reproduce your analysis on any symbol when preparing trades. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which has voice control and smart scheduling. It keeps your space tidy so you can focus on charts. I mention it because clean workspaces help clear focus when trading, and it is genuinely handy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Learn order types by placing market, limit, and stop orders in paper mode to see execution differences. Configure defaults for quantity, time in force, and routing to streamline order entry under pressure. Use the Analyze tab and Risk Profile tools to simulate P&L and visualize worst-case scenarios for any trade. Practice position sizing rules and set alerts for risk thresholds so your live trading matches the discipline you develop in practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.